Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannada. Now here is crystal structure. In general, material is divided into three categories. One is solids, another is liquids, and third one is gases. Now here is solid state physics, that is material is in the form of solids. Now lattice points and space lattice. The atomic arrangement in a crystal is called crystal structure. In a perfect crystal, there is a regular arrangement of the atoms. This periodicity in the arrangement generally varies in different directions. It is very convenient to imagine points in space about which these atoms are located. Such points in space are called lattice points, and the totality of such points forms a crystal lattice or space lattice. If all the atoms at the lattice points are identical, the lattice is called a Bravais lattice. Thus, a three-dimensional space lattice may be defined as a finite array of points in three dimensions in which every point has identical environment as any other points in the array. Now let us consider the case of two-dimensional array. These are the two-dimensional arrays, and these points are called as lattice points, and the environment about any points looks like the same. So it is a Bravais lattice, or it is a two-dimensional lattice. It is the obvious forms from the figure that environment about any two points is the same, and hence it represents a space lattice. We chose any arbitrary point as the origin. Suppose O is the origin. In figure, consider a position vector r1 and r2. This is position vector r1. This is position vector r2 of any two lattice points by joining them to O as shown in figure. The difference T of two vectors r1 and r2 satisfies the following relation. That relation is T is equal to n1a plus n2b, where n1 and n2 are integers and a and b are fundamental translation vectors. Characteristics of the array. Then the array of points is a two-dimensional lattice. And for three-dimensional lattice, this translation vector is given by T is equal to n1a plus n2b plus n3c. Hence, it should be remembered that a crystal lattice refers to the geometry of a set of points in space, whereas the structure of crystal refers to the actual ordering of its constituent ions, atoms, molecules in the space. Now next is basis. Now basis is nothing but it is a collection of the atoms. You know about the lattice points. Lattice points or lattice. It is three-dimensional array of the atoms in which environment about any points looks like the same. This is the definition of the lattice points. And basis is It is a collection of all lattice points. This is a basis. These are the lattice and whole collection is called as basis. Now how crystal structure is formed? Crystal structure is formed when lattice is added to the basis. It means that for complete crystal structure, lattice must be added to the basis. Our simple formula is lattice plus basis is equal to crystal structure. Means that any crystal structure is formed when lattice is added to the basis. This is the most important for the point of solid state physics.